channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Okay, so yesterday you saw, I don't know what you saw. It doesn't matter. Anyway, we're on jewelry. Now, I tend to minimize with jewelry. I don't wear that much jewelry anymore. I had jewelry, and then if you hadn't seen my video on I got robbed, then that's why I don't have as much jewelry. Luckily, some stuff was put away and put up in a bank and, you know, all those good things, safe deposit box and things like that. So not everything, but there was a lot of precious things that got stolen. So I keep very minimal now around. But I will show you a few pieces that I do enjoy wearing. And I've said this before, if I can't wear it to work, I don't really believe I should buy things that I can't wear any other day but vacation. That's just, I don't know. I just can't. I wanted to say it was stupid, but I don't want to upset or like, yeah, I don't want to offend anybody. All right. So it would be stupid for me to do it. Me. All right. Let's start with the first thing. I'm going to start with my jewelry roll first, and I think maybe we could start there, and then I'll go to the pieces. All right. So this is my little jewelry roll. It's nothing fancy. It's like every other one that you've seen. It has 3 little individual pockets here, and then the 3 larger ones. I tend to use like those little quarter size little Ziploc baggies, sometimes to individualize if I'm putting a few in each set. Because I wish they had more of these little individual ones up here like that, like another row or something. But yeah, and that's all it is. Just, it's nothing fancy. It's just a tie-up one. So that's all right. Of course, you couldn't see this, but I put this on backwards at first. But this is the first one. It's really pretty blue. So that's the first little necklace. So this is one that I would bring. I just like that it has like a little more detail. I think this stuff like this elevates a outfit when you have like a little bit of a statement necklace. So here's one. So here is another one. This is a little more blingier, fancier. That can be worn. I have worn it with, if you saw my one video with for the elegant clothes, like towards the end I showed a white blouse and I showed a purple blouse. Both of those I've actually worn this necklace with it, and black pants, black dress shorts. So I like really, you know, then you kick your outfit up a little bit. So here's that. Okay. So here is another, a little bit blingier one. It's gold, and you can adjust it for different heights. I have it right here, right now. But it's, so this is the gold one that I have. I don't have very much gold, so, but here's the gold one. So this is my favorite statement necklace. It's my red one. I love it. It actually, like, one of the beads came apart, and I was like, no! Yeah, it was like, oh, but I was able to put it back together and stuff, so I was like, but this is my favorite one, and literally, I mean, look, you can wear this with pretty much anything. You can wear it with blue, you can wear it with black, you can wear it with red, you can wear it with gray, you can just literally wear this with anything. So, I just feel like red is, I almost feel red is just as neutral as grays and blacks, whites. So, yeah, so that's that one. This is one of my favorite little necklaces. It's just the long silver chain with the silver little things. I think it's so neutral. You could wear it anywhere, like anywhere. I mean, you can pop it on for, it's like a casual everyday, but you can take it, use it at dinner too. I just think it's like a easy one. I've also switched out this bottom piece with this really pretty purple. And I just think it's super, super pretty. This was my mother's, and the original chain broke. So now I have this piece, and I just switch it out. And so on that, again on that purple blouse that I showed on the elegant formal wear, what to wear. I've worn also that blouse with this. It's just so pretty. And the white blouse. And. I've worn it. I've worn these both quite a bit. Okay. So this, I'm going to show it like this. If you can see it. It's very blingy. And it goes right about there. This is the necklace I tend to wear with that, my favorite blue formal night dress. I tend to wear this necklace. That one has like a little bit of a gold like thing on the neckline. And so I can wear this longer one and it brings a little bit of shimmer to it and stuff. So I usually will put this one on. So this seems to be my gold. But it is more of a rose gold than a yellow gold, but I think it's just super pretty. Okay, so this was my mom's necklace. It has a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of shine, a little bit of bling. It's super pretty. And so it's kind of interesting. It basically is just kind of a rope, and then she always typically tied it, so that's what I do. And it just had a nice little knot, and so it just, and I think sometimes longer necklaces on me tend to elongate my short little body. And so I tend to like long necklaces. And the statement necklaces are really just, I wish I could wear more of them because they're so pretty. But anyway, so let's go to earrings. I typically don't wear a lot of earrings. I wear the same little silver hoop earrings every single day. If I can, I will wear something like this maybe, which are super light. Or maybe something just a little more daytime all the time. These are a pair of little dangly earrings, little blingy, that I have taken. I think they can go with a lot of different types of necklaces. It's super lightweight. I don't like heavy earrings at all. And I typically only wear them for the occasion and then they come off. I don't really like wearing things like this all the time. And then these are just more of kind of like my everyday of things that I could wear. So I'm like that. But these are the hoops that I wear every single day. They're not super big. I have no neck. Let's just face it. I have no neck. And so these little short little ones like this work. They're just little white gold ones. And I wear them every day. I have them, I put them on in the morning, take them off at night. They're my everyday go-to. So a couple little fun little bracelets is this one. This little one, blingy. It's very pretty. It's kind of that two-tone gold and silver. So it will pump up a little outfit if I need it. And then this one goes really pretty with those one little dangly earring because it's very similar. Has just a little bit of like a shininess, but not little crystals, but just like a little shininess. So it's pretty. Nice little cuff. But I don't wear a lot of these things very long. I mean, it literally is just for like dinner, whatever, and then that's it. That's it. So this is the watch I take. But this pretty much stays in the jewelry roll because I know it's gonna definitely need to go. I take this watch because this is the waterproof, damage proof, everything proof little watch. And I got it from Amazon. It was under 10 bucks. It was super cheap. And it has gone in more oceans than we can count. It's lasted for a very long time. The battery's still running. And I can use it for an alarm and I can change to make sure I'm on ship time. This is my ship time watch. So this takes care of everything, especially when I know other things are not going to work well sometimes. I know that this little watch will. And that is the most important thing, because those are the horror stories that you hear, is that people not understanding that they need it back at ship time, and then they're asking people in port what time it is, and then they need to have a watch like this so they can make sure that their watch is matching ship time. So that's this. Now, I do take my Samsung watch. So I typically take it because I just have to have it. But I know that for port, I'm going to wear that other little blue watch. But I do take my Samsung watch. So that is it for jewelry. I pretty much have gone through all, like, a few little things that I take. I don't take a lot, so this makes this one very easy. But I just wanted to give you and show you some options. Oh, I do have one more thing. So this is a little ankle bracelet, and I love little ankle bracelets. I had another one and it broke, and so I picked this one up, and I'm not sure where I picked it up. It may have been Roatan, I'm not sure. But I love these little anklets, and sometimes I don't know, I'll just put them on and walk around in. A little bling for the feet. But that's typically all I have, and I wear very little of it. I usually will only take maybe 2 top 3 necklaces, 1 pair of earrings, and then usually another pair that's maybe like silver or gold. All depends on what clothes I'm taking. I won't wear any of the bracelets unless I know I'm going to really dress up that wherever I'm going. So they typically don't go, but I'll just kind of mix and match whatever the necklaces I have. Typically I'll take 1 statement necklace, or maybe it'll either be like 2 statement necklaces, 1 statement necklace, and maybe another option with a long one or something. So it all varies, and also depends on how long I'll be gone. But I'll pick out my clothes, and then I usually will put the jewelry with it and see which ones I want to take. And I try to make sure I can wear the jewelry with several different outfits, so make it last. All right. If you have any other questions, is there anything that you liked, or you see that maybe an additional piece that maybe you would have to add on, please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, give it a little like, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care and have a great day.